Hello guys, my name is Abdul Samad from Dubai. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how to generate trending image from Microsoft Bing AI and also how to create account in Microsoft Bing AI. I think you are seeing my thumbnail image. Now I'm making this type of image. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you are already subscribed my channel, I'm thanks to for you. But first of all need to open browser. You can choose any browser, so I am choosing my Chrome browser. So here you can use any mobile phone, laptop and other device. Same process, just step by step using my method and apply. First need to here Bing, type here Bing AI. So I am typing here bing.com. So if you press the enter, automatically coming here the website Bing. So I am first click here Bing. So I am click here Bing. So here is, you can see here the menu bar. Here is image. So first of all I am create here image. So if you can see here, you can see the create. So if you create this, here you can see here create image from Microsoft with AI. If you press here something, if you join and create, it automatically here showing your Microsoft Bing. So first you need to create account. So how to create your, you can see here the sign in option. So I am pressing here sign in option. Then you need to create new account because I don't have any account for Microsoft. So I am I am creating a new account. So press the create one. Then I am copy my email, then paste here. You push your email and then next. Then you can see here the first name. So I'm writing here the first name and second name. So then I am next. So you can see here the your region or country. If you are staying others country, no problem. You can select here any others country, which country you are staying. So I am here. I am birthday date fixed. Then I'm click send. Now you can see here the verify email. So if you can see here email and see here the verification code. So I am copy this code, then paste here. So automatically, then next, automatically coming next option. You can see here some create account and some puzzle here. So I'm pressing this one, then next. Then you can see here the use the arrow and rotate object of the face direction. So I am face direction. So this is the same like this face direction. So I am press one, then second one coming. This is the same like this. Send, then I'm submit. Then other one you can see here the same like this. Okay, then send. And you can see here the verification complete. After verification complete, automatically coming my AI website. Automatically verification continue, everything downloaded. Now you can see here the my create my account. So now I'm going to create account. So I am pressing here the create. So you can see here create an image from Word with AI. So you need to some text here, actually what you want, which picture want, which kind of picture was. So I am writing here a kid with a big blue eyes. So blue eyes, wearing pink and black hoodie in chest struck light in the city background. So I'm writing here the city background. So if then you press the join create image. So you can see here some need to time loading for here. So just a minute wait. Then you can see here the image, then creating same like this, creating the processing running. Then automatically coming your AI image. You can see here this is the good image. Actually what I am, I need same text coming here. So you can see here. So you can see here the this most beautiful picture coming. So download this picture. So then I am because if I writing the all prompt so there is need to more time. So if I writing this one by one this long video, so am I writing here some prompt? So you can see here the some writing here prompt, then rest here. So I'm creating. So you can see here most beautiful picture now coming. A realistic 3D image, cute boy and girl, eyes smiling and wearing bright blue tee with yellow and black. This is really beautiful picture coming. So you can see here some need to time here because you need to generate image actually. Beautiful picture coming here. Then as you can see very cute, amazing. You can see here I'm writing here Rumaisa, Khalid. Then automatically you can see here you can make your favorite person another person as your wish. So next we are moving the next step. So I am here, I am writing the generate picture same like this. So I am copy here and paste here. So I'm this I'll give this text my description, so you can collect here, then create your another picture. Then you can see your generate your picture, then automatically coming actually what is generated pixar style with a chubby girl running away with a fish and Dubai Habibi. You can see here Dubai Habibi coming, and there is the chubby in the fat and this running away for fat fish. So you can see here is good, really good. So it's really good. So I am download this one, and other one I am making the same like this. This is so really good, this one after better for this one. So I am paste here. So you can see here the generate your image. So you can see here the most beautiful and funny writing here the with egg and mother hen going the away. So like this kungfu child is really good. So here is, if you can see here, this is kungfu child and the egg and running this picture. So it's the really good. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you next another video. Best of luck.